Hey everyone! Have you ever needed to quickly grab a text from an image or video? Live text is usually enabled by default, but if it isn't, open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Scroll down and select Language and Region. Toggle Live Text to On. How to recognize text with the camera app on iPhone. Open the camera app on your iPhone. Point the camera at the text you want to capture. Wait for a yellow outline to appear around the text. Tap the live text icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like a set of lines within a frame. Select the text by dragging your finger over it. Choose any action, copy the text to paste it elsewhere. Translate it to another language. Search the web for more information. Call a phone number directly if detected. How to extract text from photos and videos in the Photos app. For photos, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Tap the live text icon at the bottom of the screen. Looks like a frame with lines. Drag your finger over the text to select it. Choose any action. Copy the text to use it elsewhere. Look up the text for additional information. Translate it to another language. For videos, pause the video at the point where the text appears. Tap the live text icon or hold down the text if the icon doesn't appear. Select the text by dragging your finger over it. Choose any action. Copy the text, translate it, search the web for more details. How to scan text from web images in Safari. Open Safari on your iPhone. Tap and hold the image until a menu appears. Select Show Text from the menu if available. Drag your finger over the text to select it. Again, choose any action. Copy the text to use it elsewhere. Look up the text for additional information. Translate it to another language. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.